Is your story a little discombobulated? Maybe it doesn't have all the pieces to get people to know you better, to like you better, and even to trust you? Well, we have a solution for you. This Friday, we're going to have an amazing master storyteller, Gayle Turner. He's going to be with us for NSA Virginia. Yes, this Friday. We don't want you to miss it. If you are a member already of NSA Virginia, this is included in your membership. If you are not, you haven't had the opportunity to become a member yet, then guess what? We have a way for you to come as well. At the end of this workshop, you're going to have something tangible to take away, okay? That is the importance of this time together. So take the time this Friday, November 18th, to join NSA Virginia with a master storyteller called Gayle Turner and come to the place. You don't want somebody else delivering your story. You want your story to have an impact, whether you're a communicator, whether you're an author, regardless if you're a coach or you're a speaker on the platform. Your story is important. The narrative and the story that you tell is important. So join us in the place, November 18th. We start at 9 a.m. and we're over normally by 12. This is the place. So click the link below and join us. We appreciate you. We know that your story will have an impact on others, and that's why it's important to us. Join us.